Greetings everyone, Visor here. In this episode I will show you how to shift your motorcycle without using your clutch. I will also present to you the first member of Visor motor crew. Hit like, hit subscribe, and let's go! I will show you how to shift your motorcycle without using your clutch, aka power shifting or clutchless shifting versus ordinary shifting. Okay, so when you shift normally, you pull in your clutch, you release the throttle, you put in the gear, you release the clutch and you twist the throttle. But when you shift without using the clutch, you basically very fast let go of the throttle, put in the gear, and then simultaneously you twist the throttle again. So I'm gonna right now and show you both ways. Normally I use the clutch between the first and the second gear because you have the neutral in between, so it kinda sometimes it gets stuck on neutral, so it's best to use the clutch. And for some reason with Ducati motorcycles, between 5th and 6th gear it tends to get stuck in between for some reason, I don't know why. So I kinda use the clutch for between those two, but sometimes it works to do even between 1 to 2 and 5 to 6, so I don't know. Okay, so I'm not going to be using my clutch, so you don't have to pay attention to that. Pay attention to the throttle, how I'm using it, which is basically just turning it back and then on again. Okay, we're going to talk about something called rev-matching. The thing about rev-matching is when you shift your gear down and you're going fast, the engine will go from moo to vroom, and that's kind of put a lot of pressure on the engine. So what you do is when you pull in your clutch and you slam down your shift down to another gear, you know, from 5 to 4 or from 4 to 3, what you do is you put a little gas, so the revs will come up. So when you release the clutch, everything will turn out to be just fine. It's kind of hard to explain. I'm Swedish, so don't expect much from me when it comes to my English. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna get what I'm talking about. Okay, so rev-matching, here we go. Okay, so now we're going from, I don't know what gear, and if we just pull in the clutch and switch gears down, it will be like this. So that's kind of put a lot of pressure on the engine.